In this video, I will show you step by step how my toolkit works, and I will guide you through the new update that we just released. If you still don't have my toolkit with LuxAlgo, I am putting the link down below so you can get easy access from it. And after you buy the indicator, you will go to indicators tab and you will search for BORSA, and you will see two indicators, care package and in time. Click both of them to add to your chart. And after you add it, let's go to settings for the in time, and I would like to show you what did we updated in this perfect release. The most exciting new feature is the alert function call here that we just released, and you can also enable or disable the stop loss. You can now change all the breaker signal size from here, and you can adjust your all macro times as you wish, and the SMT dashboard is still on the play, and we have the dashboard here. We have all the style configuration you need. So if you go to style tab, you can enable developing New York maximum and minimum, which is like a trail line for the New York session, and you can enable take profit 100, and you know this stuff already, so I'm closing this. Now let's go to care package. This is where it gets exciting, because there are a lot of requests that from the users that we need to put this one, that one, and we take it everything into this update, and here it is. So if it is your first time to seeing that, don't get confused or don't get scared. These are so easy. This is basically a kill zone that we just developed, and this is the price levels. It is very useful. I will show you how you can use all of these in the coming minutes, so make sure you watch all the video to understand all the mechanics here. High-low marking still same. The last end day, it will show you the last 10 days high and lows. The previous day AM and PM high and low. Very useful tool. So we have of course the new day opening gap, new week opening gap. If you want, you can just change the color and the last 5 to 10, let's say. And one of my favorite is regular trading hour gap. You can enable or disable. You have chance to enable for higher frame fair value gap from this section, and you can choose this time frame, so it is very helpful. Also, again, one of my favorite tool is order blocks. We have added fractals and order blocks. This is highly useful when it comes to day trading, especially on the 1 minute, 3 minute and the 5 minute time frames, in my opinion. So you can enable everything here, and you can adjust everything you see here. You can change the body or wick, you can change the length, you can just say like if the order block got filled, you can just delete it. So there will be no unnecessary crowd in your chart. So the next thing we bring it back in this update is the market structures. Higher highs, higher lows, lower low, and the change of character, of course, the breakout structure with the adjustable length. My favorite one is 5, by the way. We have bring it the volume imbalances, and I use these volume imbalances as my point of a stop loss when it comes to in my positions, and I will show you that also. So if you want, you can extend the unmitigated volume imbalances, so you can also adjust the volume imbalance, how many of it should be displayed, and the show data and time. This is from the old version. You can change the calculated bars to 5000 is sweet spot. This is basically my settings. You can enable New York AM session here or launch disable, whatever you want. So you can just play around with it. I am inviting you to trade live with me from the yesterday's price section, and we also did everything live in Discord. So let's jump in the video. So the most common question is the time frame, ticker and the breaker length. So the time frame personal use is 1 minute, and what I trade is the Nasdaq futures. This is where I feel most comfortable when it comes to trading, so I'm trading Nasdaq futures now, and my breaker length is 5, and default setting will become with the 7, so I use 5. If you want to change it, feel free to do so. It is very easy to backtest, and we are bringing back another huge update in the coming weeks, so we'll let you know when it's come out, obviously, and just hit the OK button. So we are now trading New York AM session, and the time is now 9:18. Let's roll the market. I don't personally take a trade at these times. The macro starts at 9:20. If you go to in time, you can see all the macro times here in the New York. You can see the Asia, you can see the London. We constantly update and improve this, by the way. So the 9:20 macro just started, which means that before 9:20 until the before macro, we don't give any signal to you if you enable the macro filtering, which I highly suggest you use that. After that, we are now watching for the next signal. We will take whatever it gave us. So if it gave a sell, we will take a short position. If it gave a buy, we will take a long. So 9:30 here. Why I love it is because I can see 9:30 opening price after like 1 hour, and now I can see clearly the midnight opening price. I can see the new day opening gap. I can see the yesterday lunchtime 1:30, and I can see the 8:30 opening price. These are very important because price always revisit these levels, and let's say if you want to go long here, you can easily target 8:30 or the midnight opening price. This is how I'm using that. So let's roll the market. We are just basically waiting for any signal, and boom, we have a A+ signal from the in time. What we will do is we will initiate a 5 Nasdaq contracts here. We will be putting our stop loss just under this candle here, and you can see that we got a bullish volume imbalance, we got the bullish order block. The blue lines means that the bullish order block. The red lines mean that the bearish order block. So it's very easy to understand. And now the take profit, the first target will be 8:30. The final target will be the midnight opening price. Easy like that. So the final TP is here. We will trail our trade. If something goes bad or something happens, we can always close our position. So let's roll it. Let's see what will happen. So we're trailing, we move watching the market, and as you can see that there is no need that we took a partial. It already hit the midnight opening price. We are not just basically giving a fixed take profit. We also do that, but my personal recommendation for you is please put it care package on your chart and watch out for the midnight opening price, 8:30 opening price. So these are the best targets. If you want to get maximized profit, this is a must tool that you need to put it on your chart. I will trade the whole AM session with you now, because sometimes people say, oh, you only take one position and you close the video, you are cherry picking. No, let's watch it together. Let's see. We can get losing trades. That's normal. So we got A+ sell signal, and we have a change of character here. We have a bearish fair value gap. You know, this kind of positions most of the time wins. So we initiated a short position. I want to target the 9:30 price, and I want to take partial in a halfway of this bullish fair value gap, and my stop loss will be recent resistance line. So let's roll the market to see what will happen, and we are watching. Now I want to take what? A partial, right? In that zone. So since we are in the rewind replay mode, we can't do that, but for the demonstration purposes, we just initiated a 3 long, and what I want to do is I will move my stop loss just above this fair value gap. So let's roll with the market, and as you can see that, and boom, the position is closed. We are in a profit. So if you can see that from this point to that point, we just initiated the short here, you can easily grab 20 points. Boom, easy. With the one contract, you make a 400 bucks, right? So it is a nice money. And now we are watching the market. We just stopped out in a partial. We're rolling the market. We got a bullish order block, and we are waiting for the next one here. Let's see. And I don't know if you guys know, but we are able to give 2 sell signals in a row. So that's one of my favorite feature. And we got a buy signal here. Let's roll back here because we missed the whole profit. And I want to initiate a what? A 5 contract. Let's do it. And what is the target? The target is again the midnight price, the new day opening gap, and we can go as far as the London high. For now, let's keep it on the London high. If things gone bad, we can always go back and adjust. Let's put the stop loss here, and we are watching what's going on. And now we have reached the new day opening gap, right? So this is our partial point. Let's take a partial. I just sell 3 of my contracts here, and this is how much points? Again, 25 points. Very nice, because if you look here, today ATR was 11.8 and around this point, so between like 15 to 11. So this is normal. This is what you will get in this kind of ATRs, you know, between 10 and 15. It's kind of slow market. So let's roll the market. Now I want to trail my stop to my break even, because why? As you can see that, let me just quickly zoom in. We have a bullish volume imbalance, we have the bullish fair value gap, we have the breaker here, so everything looks good. I don't see a reason that price pull back here, but I want to take partial when price go this high, and we will take some of it here. Let's roll the market. So I think, yeah, we can take a partial here. Let's took off one more contract. Always pay yourself, right? So let's quickly go over it, because otherwise this video will take forever. Now we will trail our stop loss to where? To this recent candle lows. Let's roll the market. My point is, as you see that we are making money here, guys. The London high has been taken out, and this is the reason why we are showing the London high, the Asia high, the London low, you know, the midnight price, because there is an obvious thing that the price will go that zone. So let's quickly roll the market. I think the AM session is about to finish, so we got the A plus signal here. Let's quickly see it together. In that scenario, what you will do, you will initiate a short, and you will target this breaker fair value gap easy, and you will put your stop loss just above this volume imbalance here, 1 to 2, and you can see, let's see, it's crashed, right? So it's very easy, it's easy to use. Let's quickly roll it together, and lunchtime started. So this tool itself is more than enough for you if you are a beginner, and especially if you are a futures trader, whether it's a prop firm or your own account, it doesn't matter. This toolkit has a very high win rate, and you can get whole toolkit with 30-day risk-free, right? So if you just don't like it, you can request for refund. And also I want to talk about something else. If you just purchase the indicator toolkit, please join my Discord. There is a free section also, because we talk a lot about the strategies, the breaker lengths, and all that stuff, and sometimes I do a live free sessions inside of the Discord. So before I finish this video, it's been like 1 month since we released this whole toolkit, and there is a massive interest. I am so honored that you guys loved it. Thank you so much for that, and I will catch you in the next video.
From the city to the beach, we've had a nice in reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood.